that strategy process, that's enjoyable for us. That's one of the things I love to do when I'm representing clients, is helping them understand, here's where things sit today. Let's consider A, B, and C so that we can get you to the result that I see potentially coming your way down the road. I had to tell a lot of clients that your case value sits kind of in this range right now, but if we put this particular strategy into place for you, your case value could double, triple, or quadruple. And that's really important for them to understand and to know. There's really no magic formula that you can engage that's going to tell you exactly how much your case is worth. It just doesn't work that way. What's really required is having a conversation with an attorney who has the experience and the knowledge, is going to listen to your circumstances, and they can tell you, and I give you an idea as to the value of your case today, the value of that case potentially a month later, or months later, or even further down the road. But there's a lot of nuance that's involved. You're talking about medical documentation questions, insurance coverage questions, liability questions. And to really get at what a case is worth, I need to know a number of different factors and take my experience and blend those factors together before I can really reasonably give a client an idea of the value of their case at that point in time or down the road. We know by putting a particular strategy into place with medical documentation, utilizing coverage to their advantage, putting certain negotiation strategies into place to their advantage, that case value will change and sometimes multiply many times over. You learn the strategies, you learn what the insurance companies are looking for, you learn the strengths and weaknesses of cases when you do it all the time, right? When you handle thousands and thousands of claims, you end up knowing what the strategies should be for every individual client. And I can walk that individual through what I see as their options at that point in time and how the process would work. I think a lot of people there's some misconceptions out there, there's confusion out there. They get information from all different types of places. They've heard all kinds of different stories from relatives and friends and social media accounts and you name it. There's a lot of information out there. And we really pride ourselves on taking our expertise and our experience and applying it to people's individual circumstances so they understand what the case actually looks like and what the roadmap is. And unless you have that nuanced conversation with someone and that thorough review, you're taking a real stab in the dark and really speculating as to what a case value really is.